6 weeks ago, I was laid off from my job, and I'm gonna stop living with my boyfriend. But there are so many things that would have to take place for that miracle to happen.
It's a new movie that's bound to become a holiday classic. The Sound of Christmas is a charming new holiday film, so says the New York Times. In this Christmas musical, Songbird Montana helps to enlighten others about loss and love when she accepts a job as a nanny to a grieving billionaire's 2 kids. It is written and directed by Hampton Roads' own Booker T. Madison, who is joining us from the A in Atlanta at University of Georgia. Hey, Booker T, how you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm excited to talk to you. And the way you did that introduction, it makes me want to see the movie, and I've already seen it 1,000 times.
That's great. And I watched it with my family, the A-Team, and we had a good time watching it. And it's on BET Plus, and it was awesome. So what went into getting Neo as the lead?
That's a great question. So the film is an adaptation of Tiffany L. Warren's novel, The Replacement Wife. And the producers on our team were responsible for casting our leads. So we're fortunate enough to get Neo to play the grieving billionaire widow who the love story is centered around.
And tell us about Montana, too.
Montana, played by Soraya, is I'm really excited about her performance and her singing. If the storyline sounds familiar, she plays an out-of-work music teacher who has to negotiate budding feelings when she falls for the grieving billionaire played by Neo. If that storyline sounds familiar, the novel written by Tiffany Warren was inspired by The Sound of Music. So it's an updated holiday iteration of that storyline set in Atlanta.
Wow. Okay, so I know you're a full-time professor at the University of Georgia, formerly at Hampton University. So how did you balance your classes and shooting this film?
That's a great question. We shot for 12 days last March in Atlanta. So for one of the weeks, it worked out that it was spring break, and for the other 2 weeks, I had to find replacements to teach my classes. So the university and the department specifically is supportive of the work that we do here. So I'm excited, and I'm actually in class now, and we're actually in Athens, and this is my directing for the screen class, and we're going to be screening their rough cuts of their final films as soon as this interview is done.
Okay, well, tell them I'm sorry I'm making you a little bit late. Tell us a little bit about.
I think they're okay. I think they're okay.
I think they're okay. You're on TV and everything. So what are you going to do next? What's next for you?
Well, the next film that I'm actually writing, it's a to-be original film, and the production company is Mar Vista Entertainment. Working title is Twisted Marriage Therapist. So I'm actually writing that now, and I hope to be directing that sometime late next spring.
Okay, and you're also a Spartan. Behold.
Right. Behold.
What is it like when you come back and you meet students that want to direct like you? What do you offer them advice-wise?
Well, the first thing is to actually do it. I mean, we had a community of filmmakers there, my time at Norfolk State, and we were doing it not because it was a major, because we majored in mass communications, but because we enjoyed doing it. And the key thing now with the tools that we have, students can create content and actually distribute it to literally a global audience with just their phone. So the doing is in the making, and if you make it, then eventually someone will recognize your talent.
Wonderful. All right, and then what inspires you as a filmmaker?
Yeah, that's a great question. Passion, and passion can be either positive or negative. Positive passion, what excites you, what's exciting me in the moment. Negative passion, what's driving me insane. And typically that's what stories come from, those personal stories that I write. But then also too, I'm a hired gun. I'm a hired writer and director. So in the case of this film, Tiffany created the opportunity by pitching me as a part of the project. So coming on was to adapt the screenplay and then direct it. So even as a hired gun, the stories have to be passionate about the stories and have to resonate.
All right, and did you have your students screen your film and criticize it, or you weren't ready for that?
Well, not this particular film. I mean, they will have that opportunity, but my students critique me as much as I critique them. We have a specific way that we critique films, and I can't subject them to critique if I don't allow them the same opportunity to critique myself.
Wonderful. All right, and I already asked you what you're doing next. Is there a project that is your dream project that you were like, oh my gosh, this would make my world?
Absolutely. The adaptation of my sophomore novel, Snitch, which was published way back in 2011 and received a Star Review and Publishers Weekly at the time. But that will be the story that I hope I can tell next after Twisted Marriage Therapist. And that would certainly be a dream come true because I wrote that novel for the express purpose of adapting it into a film.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Booker T. Tell your students I said hello, and have a good holiday season. Hey! Thank you so much. The Sound of Christmas premieres on BET this Friday, 12 to 9, and it is available for streaming now on the BET Plus app.